In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a private Slack channel. Slack is an amazing tool for workplace communication, and private channels can be invaluable for keeping your conversations secure and among a select group. Accentuating collaboration within these channels means at times adding new members. So, let's dive right into it. First, locate the private channel you'd like to update. Head over to your Slack sidebar, which is typically on the left side of your screen, and look for the channel you want to work with. A quick tip here. Private channels are easily recognizable by the lock icon next to their names. Go ahead and click on your chosen channel to open it. Next, you need to access the channel details, which will provide you with more information about the channel and the options available to you. At the very top of the conversation window, in the center, you'll notice the channel name again. Clicking on this will open up a channel details panel on the right side of your screen. Once you have the channel details panel open, it's time to find the Members tab, which contains information about the current members in the channel. Look over to the right panel and find this tab. It'll help you manage who has access to the conversations in the channel. Now, here comes the exciting part, adding new people. You'll see a button that says either Add People or Add People to Channel Name. Click this button, and you're well on your way to welcoming new contributors to your private discussion space. In the window that pops up, you'll find a search bar. This is where you enter the name or email address of the person you're aiming to add to the channel. Start typing, and Slack will conveniently suggest potential matches in a drop-down list. This efficiency is one of the many user-friendly features that make Slack a beloved communication tool. You can select multiple people if you need to add more than one new member. Just choose the individuals you want from the drop-down suggestions. The final step is to confirm your selection. At the bottom of this window, there's another Add button. By clicking this, you'll finalize the addition of your selected members to the channel. And that's it! You've successfully added someone to your private Slack channel, allowing them to join in on the discussions and contribute to your team's projects. Keeping your channels organized and up to date is key to maintaining effective communication within your team. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.